Ladies and gentlemen, there is a brand new update with Bitcoin Hyper. Let's take a look at what has been announced on their official X. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy, Crypto RJ. Now, Bitcoin Hyper, guys, is a phenomenal project. We've talked about it a plethora of times on this channel, and we could see right here, they have almost raised $29 million, which is insane to think about. But that's not the announcement. That's not what we're here for today. They have announced something on their news, which we're going to take a look at. So performance defines what's possible. Bitcoin Hyper is benchmarking how to deliver Solana grade throughput on a Bitcoin anchored SVM rollup. So that kind of sounds like Chinese, don't worry. Basically, it's balancing speed, cost, and security with real data, not hype. So we can see here they have a update which basically just talks about, I mean, I can go through and read this. Performance isn't just a bragging right, it defines what's possible. For Bitcoin Hyper, understanding and optimizing performance means figuring out how fast, how efficient, and how consistent this can be. And basically, it talks about, Solana Virtual Machine, which is known for its parallel execution, but Bitcoin's slower settlement layer introduces unique constraints. So they're basically talking about how they're modeling how various factors affect throughput, transaction batching, account conflicts, anchoring frequency, and network latency. Each of these variables contributes a balance between cost, security, and performance. And the end goal is to determine optimal parameters, how often to settle, how large batches should be, and how data should compress before it touches Bitcoin layer 1. Okay, so performance isn't just theoretical, it affects developer and user experience, right? So again, our goal isn't to chase arbitrary speed records, it's to create realistic, sustainable system that maximizes performance without undermining Bitcoin's security model. Bitcoin Hyper's benchmarks will not define just what we could build, but how we could build. Growing future improvements in sequencing, infrastructure, and observability, the next phase of research will quantify these findings into public reports. When builders can see the real numbers, they can build with confidence. That's the kind of transparency the ecosystem deserves. Again, freaking cool. Okay, now listen, guys, they have a bunch of these different updates on their blog. You guys can go ahead and check out, or sorry, on their news page. You guys can go ahead and check all of them. There's so many different updates that they have, and to see this project really grow from, I mean, literally day one is very cool to see. If you guys do want to go ahead and buy some of this, guys, again, link is down below. All you have to do is click buy with crypto. For context, guys, they have a multi-million-dollar marketing budget. They have a multi-million-dollar fund just for exchange listings, and they have a multi-million-dollar treasury. I mean, we're talking multiple millions here that they're going to be able to use to go ahead and grow this project. Now, I do think that it will continue to perform. I do think that they're probably going to raise at least $35 million depending on when the pre-sale actually ends. So again, if you guys haven't already got yourselves a bag, link is down below. Go ahead and check it out, guys, because I mean, they're building the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain with the wallet and Explorer, a bridge, staking, and memes. So many different things going on. I mean, this project just makes a lot of sense. On Twitter as well, they are literally just crushing it with a bunch of cool tweets here. Pretty decent amount of engagement as well, guys. People are very excited for the project, and I think it's one that people should not be skipping. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.